So the car was on. There was two babies in there.
He's the one that noticed that there was they were stuffed in the back of the trunk. And I said, oh my God, there are people back there. There's kids.
So your phone's charging.
September 14th, 2025. Watch how a Walmart trip turns serious for a mother when two kids are found alone in a hot car and a voice is heard coming from the trunk.
Okay. On 5 Rush 97.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? How you
Said
doing?
they saw the car was on. There was two babies in there. They managed to get the key from inside before the babies are on.
Is the car on or off?
The car's off.
It's another little girl. She's 7 years old. She was, I don't know.
Okay.
So
another person
None
that
of
was
you
out
are.
here took,
No, just grandma.
Me, I'm her
That's-
friend.
that's-
She in the store. I went this way.
She took the little girl so we can try to find out who the mama was. The little
But
girl
her
got the phone
daughter's
and the
7.
key.
She can watch them in there.
Okay, but where's the 7-year-old daughter?
Some lady took in the store
She took
and with the keys.
the lady took in the store because we was trying to figure out who the parent was. So because she was the oldest out of them, they was already over here.
So them two plus the 7-year-old were in the
I
car.
pulled, yeah, because they was already over here on the phone, I guess, calling y'all, and they couldn't open the door, and the car was off. So when I came, I pulled out the trunk. They was on top. This one was on top of that one, but I took them
It
out
was
the back
them
and
two
I see the stuff. They
with
pulled
the
out.
7-year-old. The 7-year-old was watching them.
Yeah,
This is the grand. You're the friend or the grandmother?
I'm the friend.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Was the car
So we, I had
He's
just
saying
I walked out the
no.
store and I
The
seen
car
them
wasn't
over here, so
running.
that's
No
why I
AC
walked
was
over.
off.
And the car was off.
No AC, no.
But see the back door, mommy? This where your kids was at. I flipped. I'm just saying it was locked. I took the car seat from on top and I just put the seat back. They was in the trunk.
Who's that? Is that the owner of the vehicle?
The mother, yeah.
Yeah, got that from up on that one. And I pushed that right there. But this was down.
Are you the owner of this vehicle? Okay. How long were you? Did you leave these?
I just left.
Okay, because we have people that are coming to the car, and they're saying that this car was off with no AC, with two babies in the car, and then there's 7.
I don't know why she got out the car.
I was watching them when he
I'm
first.
sorry. Who are you?
Yes, I'm a friend of hers. When he first started calling 911, he saw me standing out there in the car.
Yeah, because I just went to go use the
So
bathroom.
you were here at the car.
Yes, I guess because I wasn't right there. He felt like they by themselves. So I told the young lady to watch them while I go get them off. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Yes. So I don't make no sense. They just do too much right here.
So were you the one that was watching the kids?
Yes, I'm
While
standing
she
out.
went inside?
Yes. I got the keys and everything. He said, oh no, they by themselves. I didn't see you took the car.
You mind me asking, why did you take the 7-year-old inside and
No,
leave the 2
she
kids?
was right here watching them. I asked her to watch them for me while I go get her.
I thought you were watching them.
No, I was watching them. I told her to watch them for me while I go get her. Because I'm like, he's doing too much. He's making a big scene for no reason and there's nothing
So
wrong.
you were watching him too? Was the car on or off?
The car was off. I had the keys.
They must have cut the keys off.
Yeah, they making a big scene. He kept calling, taking pictures of the tag and everything. Like, what? I'm so upset with him.
How long were you guys gone for with the car?
We was not gone. I was here. She ran inside to get some shoes and get some clothes. This don't make no sense. This just don't make no damn sense. And I'm telling him I'm here right here on the phone with 911. Then he took pictures of the text. My girlfriend
So
said
you all
they by
came together
themselves.
in this car?
Yes.
Okay, and you were just outside of the car.
Yes.
And are you with them, or are you just for helping out?
I was helping out. I walked over here. I seen them over here. So, you
Okay,
know.
question. You mind stepping over here real quick so I can ask you a quick question? When you came over, who was watching the vehicle?
Nobody. That lady lying. She don't even know them people.
She doesn't know who they are? So she was
Took
never...
a little girl to go in the store because what happened was when I came out of Walmart, I seen them already up there talking. I seen them kept saying a gray car, but they, now mind you, I'm at my car, I'm parked over there. So I ain't being funny. I'm like, damn. I seen the Spanish people over there, but I hear them saying kids in a gray car. So I ain't gonna care. I turned around like, what the fuck they pointing at? They keep saying kids in the car by
So
themselves.
you never saw her like around the area,
No,
outside the
them
car?
people that Spanish, them people say them the kids. Them kids, when I pulled them out the bag, them kids are cold and sweat, bro. They diapers is soaked. They smell like. And she went to take her to go find the mama. So she asked me to watch him while she go find the mama, and I just gave him the water. So
Did she leave him in the car until you watched him, or are you the one that took him out and put him in the shopping cart?
I put him in the shopping cart. I just took him out of the car.
Okay, you're the one that took him out.
Yeah.
Okay.
When
And
she
just gave
heard
him water.
him talking, and I told her I was gonna leave, she said, "No, don't leave, because they really gonna think they by themselves." And then that's when I said, "Well, just watch the phone while I go get the mama."
Yeah, I gotcha. All right, just stand by for a second, all right?
Did you two come here together?
Yeah.
Okay, so you left them in the car by themselves.
No.
So why did she rip out the babies out of the car seat?
Rip out what kid?
Did you go inside?
No, she only ripped out the
They
7-year-old.
cut the door. So what happened was, I seen.
She's the one that took the kids out.
When I opened, I'm gonna just show you what it looked like when I opened it. This was like this. The seat was flipped up like this. I seen one baby, which was him.
Yeah.
First.
Okay.
I pulled him out, and then that's when I realized there was another baby.
But you seen them in the car by themselves.
Yeah, they was. And then I got her out, and when I pulled her out, that's when I seen that one. And
That must have been when she came to get me to get my car.
No, because
they wasn't in the car alone.
No,
But they were alone for long enough for multiple people to
here's
call
the thing.
911.
So when she got her, that lady
Do you have an
got
ID? Do
her,
you have
so
a
we
full driver's
was like,
license?
let's just go try to find the mom,
What's
because
your
they was
name?
already on the phone with the police.
You know
So
your
we was
social
like, let us
security
find. I
number?
said, what the phone?
So with all this being said, you left your kids alone. Hold
I
on.
didn't leave them alone.
But you
I
did.
went in the store to give her the car. I went in there to give her my bank card.
But you
They
have
come
to
right back.
no. But you have to understand. You left them alone long enough for multiple people to call for their well-being. It is what it is, right? Lesson learned. We're not going to do that again, because if she would have put the car in drive or put the car in reverse, that's a freaking removal, right? CPS will be called. You cannot do that. I'm sorry, it is what it is. I understand you're trying to do whatever it is that you got to do, but mom, it's 90 degrees outside. You left him in the car long enough. Multiple people call 911. It cannot happen. Not only that, you left them in there long enough that someone was able enough to remove them from the car, have fire rescue come, then have the police come. That's too long. Do you understand where I'm coming from? Okay? It's South Florida. People kidnap kids all the time, and that's the easy lick. So before we go, I need to make sure those car seats are installed correctly.
They already everything. Come on, my little.
How old are the little ones?
She's 7, 2.
Grandma, that ain't gonna work.
They gotta still get it strapped up, so she gotta take her out.
Whose phone is this?
Not mine. Sit down right now.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
How old is this one?
She's 2.
She's 2? And the other little one? I'm gonna tell you this right now, these aren't the correct car seats for them.
And I just walked the first.
Walmart has video cameras. The kids were by themselves for 37 minutes approximately. 37 minutes. I don't know if you let time escape you, whatever, but at the end of the day, they're left 37 minutes unattended for. That's, but it was though, because we got it on camera. We have you walking in, we have both you guys walking in, and then we have you walking out with the cart, and then the lady in the purple dress coming to get you. It's between 37 and 40 minutes. Okay? My sergeant is on his way out here. I think he's going to come out here and talk to you and figure out what to do from here, but Mom, you can't do that. Does your AC work? Okay.
I just got it fixed.
Okay.
It just the back.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys just got to wait. Okay? So tell me what happened today.
So we were walking. I usually never park here. I usually park there. So we happened to come to Walmart, and we started walking. As we got to the door, before the door, her son is the one that noticed that there was a sound coming, like a knock on the back of the trunk. Did you see him? He saw the car seats, but he said, I think there's somebody in there.
So you noticed the sound in the back of the trunk?
Yeah, as we started walking down there, then he said, let's go take a look. So I thought about it. I said, that couldn't be true. But I went and took a look anyways. So we had nothing to do. So when we look, I don't see nobody there. But he's the one that noticed that they were stuffed in the back of the trunk. And I said, oh my God, there are people back there. There's kids.
How do you know that there was kids in the trunk?
Because we were looking inside the car.
Looking inside the car.
Correct.
And you saw what? A hand, a foot?
I seen foot, and I seen diapers and stuff a little bit like that moving.
So you seen a foot sticking out?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So hold on.
That's when I called quickly. The car was off. There was no AC blowing in there, and we even looked in the car. The car was completely off.
Who do you live with?
I have my own place.
You don't live with anybody?
No.
You have any family member in the area?
Why? I'm gonna go to jail?
To be honest, yes.
Why? What did I do wrong?
Okay, so I'm going to explain this to you, right? I have two witnesses. I'm going to explain this to you. I have two witnesses, mom to mom, because I have a 5-year-old. I have two witnesses that called 911. Your kids were found in the trunk of a car with, oh yes.
They played in the trunk of the car. They wasn't found in no trunk of the car.
No. That's how they got noticed, because they heard a...
Yeah, because they be playing in the trunk. You can ask my daughter.
No. I don't care. I don't care about that.
You can ask my daughter. They always be playing in the trunk. They always
in 90-degree weather.
The car was on.
No, it wasn't.
I swear to you. You can ask my child. She can tell you the car was on. Okay, but you can ask my daughter. The car was on.
She's 7. I'm talking to...
It doesn't matter. When CPI step to them, they're going to ask my daughter questions. And she's going to tell them. It's going to be the truth.
They're also going to talk to 2 grown adults. Not a 7-year-old child.
Yeah, but y'all not taking my story either. Y'all just taking
you were
their
inside
side. Yeah, but not for long.
For 37 minutes.
I told you on camera. Go inside that store. You were gone for 37 minutes.
So I'm trying to help you out.
No, because I told
you don't have any family members?
I told her that I was not going to go in the store. But because I had needed to grab a few extra things, I still didn't even go in my first month. I've never been to no jail.
We know. But you need to call a family member to go with them. Do you understand?
I cannot afford to go to jail.
Okay, look. It's either you can find a family member.
I mean, I'm not going to have too much of a choice. But can I please speak to the sergeant, please? I have rights. If I can speak to the sergeant, please.
Yeah. She wants to talk to a sergeant.
You either tell us somebody right now who can come and pick up your kids, somebody that is reliable, somebody that doesn't have a huge criminal history, somebody that is willing and able to take care of your kids. It's either they go with somebody that you know that they're in good hands, or they're going to the state. It is a better option if you have somebody come and pick them up. Because if they go to the state, it is not a good look with CPS.
No, it's not, but I just don't understand why y'all can't just send me home. CPI is going to come to my house regardless. I'm going to take a chance.
Yes, you're 100% right. They're still coming. But action needs to be taken right now. So it's either you tell it, it's either you... Again, it's 2 options. You either tell us somebody right now that can pick them up, or they're going to the state.
But my phone is dead. I have family.
You don't have a charger in your car?
My car charger.
What phone do you have?
iPhone.
I have a charger too. Let me throw it on there real quick.
She's a baby.
Yeah, go around the back.
Here, turn around.
Please do not do this.
Turn around.
Can I please talk to her, please? Excuse me, sir.
Twist your arm.
I want you to call family. I don't.
Bro, that's nasty. Can I please take a photo of my kids, bro?
And now with you in handcuffs, come on. You're not going to... Mommy, you'll be out in a few hours. Come on. I don't want you to get hurt.
I keep going. I'm not going to be able to call somebody for my kid. And you said you was going to charge my phone.
Your phone is charging. Once your phone is charged, I'll come to you. We'll get a phone number. Who are you going to call for your children?
I got to call my family.
Because that's what I was trying to get you to do earlier, but you didn't want to. So your phone is charging.
Later, officers arrested the mother. She was charged with child neglect. Children released to their grandmother. The case is still under review. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.